Currently, there are 3 FDA-approved hair loss preventative treatments. The one that I call number 1 is Propecia. Propecia is made by Merck, and what that does is that will stop the testosterone from changing into the DHT, which will help prevent future hair loss. None of the FDA-approved treatments are really specifically meant to grow your hair back. I put all of my patients on any medication preventatively that I can get them on to help them hold on to as much of their own existing hair as possible. The more of your own natural hair that you hold on to, the less I'm going to have to surgically restore for you later. So Propecia is my first choice. My second choice is Minoxidil. That's better known as Rogaine. They sell it everywhere. You can buy it in bulk at Sam's Club or Costco. You can pick it up pretty reasonably cheap at this point. And that's a topical vasodilator, which helps to bring more oxygen and minerals and nutrients to the area, which makes a better environment for the hairs to make their way through. My third and last choice as an FDA-approved treatment is the laser comb. It's a light source which helps to stimulate blood flow, which in turn will make a better environment for the little hairs to make their way through. All 3 of them work differently, and all 3 of them work terrific, and I recommend my patients to do all 3 if they're willing to do it. You do need to be consistent with all of these products. If you stop using any of these products, wherever you would be naturally, genetically, is where you will return. So make sure to be consistent with all of these products if you choose to begin them.